Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here's a quick look at the Vintage Coach Willis Bag, style number 9927. This bag was made in the year 2003 in the Dominican Republic, and it's in the color Mahogany Brown. So what's great about the Willis bag is that it can be worn as a crossbody bag or carried by the top handle. So it's got this nice convenient top handle on the top of the bag, or we can attach the crossbody strap to these top hardware pieces. And the crossbody strap is also adjustable, so here's where you could adjust the strap. So it's a pretty versatile bag. Here's the front again. You could open the bag with the turn lock hardware piece. So that's how we'd open and close the bag. Here's what the sides look like. It does have a dowel here up top. And then here's what the back of the bag looks like. It's got a pretty nice, large, deep slip pocket on the back, right here. And it also comes with the matching two-sided hang tag. So the hang tag says Coach on both sides. And then when we open the bag, I'll show you the other two pockets. So the second pocket is under the front flap here. And then the third pocket is on the interior of the bag, and it's got a nice zip closure. And the crate is also stamped on that back zip pocket, so I'll insert a photo now so you can see what it looks like. So that is the beautiful Vintage Coach Willis bag. It's definitely a classic, popular style. When I think of vintage Coach bags, I always tend to think of the Vintage Coach Willis bag, and it is available now in our online store, so the link will be below in the description box, as well as links to follow us on social media and to also join our email list to stay up to date with things that are going on with our store and any new bags that we post. So those links will be below if you'd like to follow them. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.